That's okay. All right. I'm not gonna bother you anymore. All right. Okay. What do you like to do now? Are you hungry? Hello and welcome to another video of a unique item. And this time we are having this man. Let me talk, please. Just calm down now. Calm down. So right now, as you can see, we are having this mechanical dog or a robot dog, if you like to call it a robot dog. It's a very nice pet that you can have lots of fun at home with it. It doesn't make any problems. It's having a very realistic voice, barking, right? Yeah. Are you okay? Are you okay? His name is Rex or Biscuit. What do you like, Rex or Biscuit? Biscuit? Rex? You like it boys? You like them boys? Yeah, he likes everything. Right? So this is a pet dog from Hasbro. I'll show you the listing here on Amazon. So they call it Joy for all ageless innovation companion pet. And this one is a golden pup, lifelike and realistic. So as you can see, you can find it in Amazon if you like to buy it. And he seems like he wants to be on the movie. All right, you're on the movie now. So as you can see, it's really lifelike. You can feel it's making lots of noise, same as the real puppy. Of course, not really the same, but still, you can have lots of fun with this dog. I do. Since I have it, it's filling the house with lots of noise, as you can see here, non-stop. I'll show you around this dog. So down here you can find the batteries. This is the battery door. It takes 4C batteries, and from here you can also turn it off. So he's off now. Just leave it as it is. You can turn the head a little bit, or maybe not, or use on Try Me, and this is actually as on display. You are on Try Me now. As you can see, his eyes blinks. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy, Rex? Are you sleepy? What is wrong with you? Okay, alright. Take it easy, man. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. It's okay. Calm down. It's alright. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. everything is fine. Yeah. So as you can see, you can play with the dog. If you don't mind lots of noise. Alright, okay. It's alright. So the size of the dog is come on, man, it's okay. The size of the dog is perfect for any spot in your home. As you can see, this is the size of the dog, and he's got a tail as well. Tail is actually moving as well when he's happy, but he doesn't seem happy now. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yeah. Are you happy? Are you happy or no? It doesn't seem to be happy. Okay, alright. So here you are. Are you okay now? You're on the movie. You're on the movie, Rex. Or Biscuit? Biscuit is better? Is it? Alright. So as you can see in the try me mode, you can find more reactions from him. I believe this is for a display in the shop or something. So he can demonstrate all the sounds he's having. But if you placed it on the on mode, then he can start acting to light on off sounds, right? Hey Rex. Hey Biscuit. Alright. Okay. You're okay now. I'll let you watch the movement of the dog for some time, and then we can turn off the light and see how he responds. Hello. Are you okay? Happy? Alright, okay. Feels happy. Hey Rex. No Rex, what do you like? Biscuit? Are you Biscuit? Okay. Look here. Look here, Rex. Okay, no Rex. Biscuit is better? Oh yeah, he's more happy with Biscuit. Hey Biscuit. How are you? You're good? Are you sleepy now? Are you sleepy? He seems more happy now. Are you happy? Yeah. Shake hands. Shake hands. Yeah. Hello. Go all the way down here. If you like to make him more sleepy. Yeah. Are you sleepy now? Are you sleepy? Yeah. Yeah, he seems happy now. So there is a sensor in his eye, as I said before, to detect if the light is on or off. When the light is very low, it starts to feel sleepy. Let's have a look again. Hey Rex, I'm gonna turn off the light now, okay? Okay. Hey. He's gonna get up again and start moving. Are you awake now? Are you awake? Are you awake? Are you? There you go. Now he feels happy, right? Are you happy? Wanna scratch here? Yeah? No? You don't know? Yes or no? Yeah, he doesn't know. Is that your ear? That's your ear here? And of course you can give him some nice accessories like this one here. This is a toy. So let's take it out. Okay, so I'm back, and it wasn't easy actually to take it out, but anyways. Hey man, it's okay. You're gonna have it, don't worry. Alright. There it is. See, you're gonna be a very nice dog right now. That way. Right? And take this part here. On the back. Yeah. There you go. Look at you now. Look at you now. You feel more happy? What? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy, Rex? Hey, Rex. Are you sleepy now? Yeah, looks much better. Of course, you can add other accessories. I find this one more fun for him, but of course you can change it to different color or just a normal color or whatever, right? Yeah. Alright, so come here, let's see how you look like. But you like it or not? Do you like it? Yeah, he likes everything. Anyways, let's see. Yeah, maybe he's gonna... Maybe it needs to be a little bit smaller, like this. Yeah, here much better. Much better. Man, why is your thighs? So, as you can see, it's lots of fun. And you can change this tie to any other thing. Yeah. Alright, so that is bricks or biscuit. Okay. Alright, biscuit from Hasbro. I hope you like this video. I think it's a very fun dog, mechanical dog or robot dog. You can find it online. I believe there is a new version available from Hasbro as well through a third-party company. Alright, so I know you like to watch this dog more, but unfortunately this is the end of this video. I hope you liked Rex or Biscuit, as he likes it more. If you like this video, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe if you didn't already. And share this video with everybody if you can. And see you next time.